16 Pro features a Grade 5 titanium design with a new, refined micro-blasted finish. Titanium has one of the highest strength-to-weight ratios of any metal, making these models incredibly strong and impressively light. The thinnest borders on any Apple product. Premium Grade 5 titanium is exceptionally durable. iPhone 16 Pro is built for Apple Intelligence, the personal intelligence system that helps you write, express yourself, and get things done effortlessly. With groundbreaking privacy protections, it gives you peace of mind that no one else can access your data, not even Apple. Writing tools can proofread your text and rewrite different versions until the tone and wording are just right, and summarize selected text with a tap. They are available nearly everywhere you write, including third-party apps. Now you can take the perfect photo or video in record time. Camera control gives you an easier way to quickly access camera tools. Simply slide your finger to adjust camera functions like exposure or depth of field, and toggle through each lens or use digital zoom to frame your shot, just how you like it. Only captures the voices of the people on camera, even if people off camera are talking during the recording. iPhone 16 Pro adds a second 48MP camera to the Pro camera system. The new 48MP ultra-wide camera has a more advanced quad-pixel sensor for super high-resolution 48MP Pro RAW and HEIF photos with autofocus. The 5x telephoto camera has the longest optical zoom in an iPhone. Macro 13mm, 24mm, 28mm, 35mm, 48mm, 120mm. Lock in your look. We've created new styles that let you dial in your exact desired look with more advanced skin tone rendering and set it across your photos. Align with your aesthetic. Personalize every style even more with the new control pad, which makes it easy to adjust tone and color simultaneously. A18 Pro chip. The brains behind Apple Intelligence. New 16-core neural engine. Nearly 20% increase in total system memory bandwidth, the highest ever in iPhone, for outstanding performance. With up to 2 times faster hardware-accelerated ray tracing, A18 Pro makes games look and feel beautifully lifelike, with more fluid graphics and realistic lighting. iPhone 16 Pro gives you a huge leap in battery life. An optimized internal design fits larger batteries, which work together with the A18 Pro chip to deliver incredibly power-efficient performance. Even with so many new capabilities. Snap on a new MagSafe charger for even faster wireless charging 6, up to 25W with a 30W power adapter, or higher, enabling up to 50% charge in around 30 minutes. No signal. There's a satellite for that. When you don't have cell service or Wi-Fi, iPhone 16 Pro can connect you to a satellite, so you can stay in touch or get the assistance you need.